You can hold a calm one-on-one conversation in English just fine. But put you in a group of 3 or 4 people talking at once, and you go completely silent. It's not that your English gets worse in groups. It's that group conversations demand something totally different from your brain. Here's what's really happening. In a one-on-one conversation, your brain only has to track one voice, one accent, one thread of thought. In a group, you're decoding multiple voices, multiple accents, and constant interruptions, all at the same time. Your working memory gets overloaded before you even find your moment to speak. So by the time you're ready, the conversation has already moved 3 topics ahead. This is the before state. Your brain trying to process multiple simultaneous inputs, like a pinball machine, with no clear entry point to jump in. The overload isn't a sign you're bad at English. It's just too much happening at once for any brain to fully track. Here's how you find your way into a group conversation without needing to track everything at once. Step 1. Use anchor interjections to enter the flow early. Short reactions like right, exactly, or good point let you participate immediately without needing a fully formed sentence ready. This gets you into the rhythm of the conversation before you need to say anything complex. Step 2. Pick one speaker to track closely and let the rest be background. You don't need to catch every word from every person. Following one thread clearly is more useful than half following all of them. Step 3. Wait for a natural pause, not a perfect one. Group conversations rarely have a clean opening. Jump in during any small gap with a short phrase, rather than waiting for complete silence that may never come. This is the after. The same group conversation, same multiple speakers. But now you're not trying to catch everything. You're finding your rhythm and jumping in when it counts. Try this today. In your next group conversation, use one small anchor phrase, like good point, to jump in early. That's how you stop freezing and start participating. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.